This is Honor X6, and today I will show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So first, launch settings, then you gotta enter the mobile network, SIM management, and here you can see the phone number being displayed. There is also the second route you can take. Instead of going for the mobile data category, enter the about phone, then go for status, then open the SIM card status, should be somewhere in here. Yep, so it is called network, so go for the network category, and over here you can also see your mobile phone number already. So that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.